Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Right guys, in today's video we're going to look at the start of the paper 3 calculator paper for the Specimen set 1 paper 3 calculator paper for the GCSE foundation tier. Okay, so I'll go through the first few questions of this paper. Right guys, question number 1. Write down the number 5,689 to the nearest thousand. Okay, so I look at my place value. So that's my thousands, that's my hundreds. Okay, so 6 is bigger than 5, so I'll round up. So the answer is going to be 6,000. Okay, question number 2, guys. Work out 30 plus 12 divided by 5 plus 3. Well, on the top, I get 42. On the bottom, I get 8. 42 divided by 8 simplifies to 21 over 4, which is 5.25, guys. Okay, question number 3. Write down the reciprocal of 0.125. The reciprocal just means 1 over that number, okay? So 1 over 0.125, which I get as 8 in my calculator. Okay, question number 4, guys. List the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 6, and 12. From the list, write down the multiple of 4. So 4 times table, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so 12 is in the timetable. So that's my answer there. And then a prime number. So that's going to be so it has only 2 factors. So the answer is 2 or 5. Okay, so I'll put 2 there. Right guys, question number 5. There is 1.5 litres of water in a bottle. There is 250 millilitres of water in another bottle. Work out the total amount of water in the 2 bottles. Okay, so 1.5 litres, so millilitres, so litres to millilitres are times by 1,000. So I get 1,500 millilitres or 1,500 millilitres. Plus 250 millilitres, I get 1,750 millilitres. Okay, or 1.75 litres. Right guys, question number 6. Here is a trapezium. The diagram is drawn accurately. Measure the length of the line PQ. So with a ruler, I get 7 centimeters. And then part B, measure the line with angle marked X. It's 35 degrees. Okay, so that's my angle there with a protractor. So I would advise guys, obviously, make sure that you've got your mathematical equipment actually here. So if you don't have one, then I would advise purchasing one from WH Smith, Amazon, Waterstones, or Tesco's, or like as the so they should sell like a math set. Question number 7, guys. Solve f plus 2f plus f is equal to 20. Well, on the left-hand side, I'm going to have 4f is equal to 20. 4f means 4 times f, so the opposite of times by 4 is to divide by 4. So dividing by 4, I get f is equal to 5. Part B, 18 minus m is equal to 6, so 18 minus the number is 6. Minus 18 on both sides, I get minus m is minus 12, m is equal to 12. Okay, part C, guys. Okay, simplify this. So d squared. Okay, so I add the powers. I get d to the power of 5. Okay, question number 8, guys. Jane writes down the following: 3.4 times 5.3 is 180.2. Without doing the exact calculation, explain why Jane cannot be correct. Well, 3 times 5 is 15 actually, so I know that the answer should be 18.02. Okay, so the place value or the decimal place here is in the wrong place. Okay. Right, guys, question number 9. The numbers A and B are shown on the scale. The difference between A and B is 48. Work out the values of A and B. Well, from A to B, there's 6 spaces. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. So each little line represents an 8. So B is going to be 32 and A is minus 16. Okay. Question 10. Complete the table of values. N, 3n plus 2. 3n plus 2 means 3 times n plus 2. So 3 times 12 is 36 plus 2 is 38. This time I've got to work backwards. So I've got 47 actually, and I've got to work out what n is. So I'm minus 2, and then I divide by 3. So I get 47 minus 2 is 45. Divided by 3 is 15. Right, guys, this is question number 11. The same number is missing in each box. Something times something times something is 343. Find the missing number. So it's the cube root of 343. So on your calculators, I get 7. Part B, work out 4 to the power of 4. Well, in my calculator, I get 256, so 256, guys. 4 to the power of 4, guys, remember, it means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. When it's a power, it always means multiply it by itself. Yeah, that many times. Okay, question number 12. Here are two numbers, 29 and 37. Nadia says both these numbers can be written as a sum of two squares. Okay, two square numbers. Is Nadia correct? The answer is yes, because 29 can be written as 4 plus 25. 4 is 2 squared. 25 is 5 squared. 37 can be written as 1 squared plus 6 squared. So 1 plus 36. Okay, 1 squared is 1. 6 squared is 36. So therefore, Nadia is correct. Okay. Right, guys, the last question here for this video, actually. So question 13 and 14. And then the next video, yeah, we'll carry on looking at more questions. So -4 and -10 for question 13. Question 14, marked with the letter Y, CBA. So CBA, so it's that angle there. So it's always the middle one. Okay. Part B says, here is a cuboid. Some of the vertices are labelled. Shade the face CDEG. So it's going to be that line, that square there, guys. Yeah, is where I square. Okay, and then part C says, how many edges does a cuboid have? So edges just means, yeah, I think corners. So it's got 8 edges, guys. Okay, so I hope that made sense, guys. Yeah, I hope it was clear. Any questions or queries, yeah, put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye now.